Hey y'all, this is Annette with Tesco Designs coming back at you, just showing my aftermath of my class for the 10. It turned out really, really good. And here's some of the stuff left over. We actually done a pink passport, and it's one of the girls. She didn't finish hers. I want to finish it for her. And put a little tassel on there. Check it out. A little pen. I gave him a little pen. But yep, this is it, y'all. We done some die cutting. Everybody was excited that I was showing them some new techniques and stuff like that. But yeah, this is it. And over here, this is the paper all cut up. I got 3 passport packages, paper pads, and it turned out really cute. People enjoyed it. And I got a lot of trash on the floor, so excuse that. Then that was it. So just wanted to come and share that little tidbit with y'all. My daughter made a little basket of flowers. Check that out. And this is it, y'all. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.